Ya Ali Midad everyone. Hope you are doing fine today. Today we are going to understand the significance of a righteous intention, or Neeyat for any act you perform. Let's begin our learning journey by listening to the conversation of Sana's family. Sana's family consisted of her 2 children and her husband. Her daily routine was to wrap up home chores till evening and eat dinner before getting dressed for Jamat Khana. The family would eat together and ride to Jamat Khana together. They would always end dinner by thanking Allah for His blessings throughout the day and for the protection of the upcoming days and years. At this moment, they are preparing for Jamat Khana. Let's see what they are talking to each other.
Oh Mama, I am looking forward to meeting my friends in Jamat Khana.
What about you? Why would you like to go to Jamat Khana today?
Oh, because I don't have anything to do at home, so I thought I would go to Jamat Khana today.
We all are going to Jamat Khana, but our intention, Neeyat, is different. We are all going to Jamat Khana, but everyone is going there for a different reason. One wants to go there not to meet Imam, but to meet one of his friends. And the other one is going because she is bored and she has nothing better to do. There is nothing wrong with meeting friends at Jamat Khana, but the first and foremost intention should be to go there to meet Maula. There is nothing wrong with socializing with friends at Jamat Khana after prayers. This is the same as a child working hard to collect money to buy a big box of chocolates, but when the time comes to buy it, he settles for a single piece of candy.
Mama, but what it means by losing so many chocolates, by settling for one?
All the efforts taken to go to Jamat Khana is futile if the intention is incorrect. Our Prophet, peace be upon him, has said that all deeds, amal, are based on intentions. One shall receive the bounties based on their intentions or niyat. Since the intention was not to go to Jamat Khana but to meet friends or just to pass time, the benefit of going to Jamat Khana will be minimized. However, if one intends to get blessings of Imam when in Jamat Khana, then that person get the blessings or barakat of Imam and can socialize with his friends as well. A mu'min starts all his amal with righteous niyat so that he may get the most in return while making the Imam happy, which is the ultimate goal of the mu'min. A mu'min's life is full of joy if he has love, ishq for Imam Zaman and his house, Jamat Khana. Hazrat Imam Sultan Muhammad Shah has said in the Furman that the pillar of the faith, Iman, is based on the love, ishq. It is the love in the mu'min's heart which makes him follow the farameen of the Imam to its fullest. His intentions are always clear and set forth before his actions. He realizes that he is the representative of the Imam wherever he goes. Therefore, his actions must be according to the ethics of Imam, whether it be worldly relations, things pertaining to work, or his religious practices.
But I try not to do anything wrong in Jamat Khana.
That's great, but an Ismaili is a moment at all times, regardless of time, location, or company. A mu'min always knows that the Imam is always with him and is constantly watching over him. So his actions are consistent when he is inside the Jamat Khana or outside. His intentions are always to have Imam's remembrance in his heart, and he is aware that all his good deeds in this world are his savings for the next world.
But how we get our intentions correct? How we get in ourselves love for our Imam?
Maulana Hazar Imam said in his Golden Jubilee Farman, even if you have 5 seconds or less, remember Allah Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or remember the names of Imams. The Imam Zaman has encompassed many concepts in that one sentence. He emphasizes that a moment has to take time out. The Imam does not only talk about continuous remembrance whenever the moment has time, but he speaks about drawing his attention to the short span of his life as well. Accordingly, moment exercises on 3 levels for his body, his soul, and his mind. The nutrition and exercise for the soul of a moment includes doing zikr, remembrance, reciting his dua regularly, and sitting for his daily morning ibadat. The last level, unfortunately the most forgotten level, is for the nourishment of his intellect. A moment knows to read Ginans, Faramin, Quran, and other true religious books to enrich his intellect. This is an essential exercise to keep his intellect healthy for a righteous Neeyat or intention.
Thank you, Mama. I will start by reciting my dua regularly and will also learn its meanings. Thank you so much.
See, here you go. You have started making your intentions right.
Yeah, wow.
Hope you have enjoyed the conversation and would have learned from it. See you in the next video. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to subscribe the channel for such informative learning videos. Let us know in the comment section how you feel this video. Ya Ali Madad. Allah Hafiz.